everybody's talking IP, everybody's talking about how you can solve problems that pop up in networks, and we have the right solutions for that.
For me, best of the show was to meet our customers and show them around.
The best of the show, I think, was the reaction on our IP displays. Everybody was kind of amazed.
We had 2 big projects and a lot of things and stories to tell our potential customers and visitors of this exhibition.
Thank you very much for visiting our booth this year at IBC. We had a lot of great discussions with our clients.
We're looking forward to seeing you on one of our next exhibitions, for example the NAT Expo in Moscow or the CAPSAT beginning of next year in Dubai.